I'm Darren Powell, Supply Chain, Logistics and Procurement Director for Apogee. This is our National Logistics Centre in Lincolnshire, home to over 100 employees, split between warehouse, workshop, logistics admin teams, as well as several other external business functions. We've got 120,000 square feet on site, 100,000 of which is warehouse space. In the warehouse, we've got £8.5 million worth of stock, split between new hardware and parts and consumables to support our field service engineers and customers. In our workshop facility here, we have the capacity to PDI up to 60 devices a day, print, as well as managed IT services, and we also produce 50 devices per month on average of our Apogee Circular Economy devices, many of these delivered to our customers by our dedicated installation crews. Another key activity that takes place on site is our technical support and engineer training function. All of Apogee's field service engineers are trained to manufacturer accredited standards by our dedicated training team.